What's up guys, this is Shan Haider, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between Honor X7b 4G and the Honor X7b 5G smartphones to see which device is going to be better in terms of hardware specs and the daily performance. So here we go. So these are the benchmarking applications we got today here on our Honor X7b 5G and the Honor X7b 4G smartphones. We have already performed all of these tests to save you time, and we will just have a quick look on the test score results. So first of all, let's start with Entity Benchmark. So the Honor X7b scored 312,971 and the Honor X7b 5G scored 398,998. So as you can see, the winner is Honor X7b 5G. If we go to the individual test score results, here you can compare the result of CPU, GPU, memory and UX. And as you can see, in all of these four, performance of Honor X7b 5G is better compared to the regular 4G version of Honor X7b. So in Entity Benchmark, X7b 5G is the winner. Now let's have a look on the 3D Mark. It is a GPU benchmarking test, so it gives the idea about the gaming capability of the device. So here we got four different tests. In Slingshot, Honor X7b scored 2098 and Honor X7b 5G scored 3478. So once again, the winner is Honor X7b 5G. You can also compare the generated FPS by both of these smartphones to get the better idea about the GPU performance of them. In Slingshot Extreme, Honor X7b scored 1322 and X7b 5G scored 2464. Once again, you can compare the FPS being generated and you can see that X7b 5G is generating nearly twice of what the 4G version of X7b is generating in Slingshot Extreme test. Now if you go to the wildlife, in this X7b scored 447 and X7b 5G scored 1194. So once again, the winner is X7b 5G. And the last one, that is Wildlife Extreme, and this Honor X7b 4G scored 123 and X7b 5G scored 330. So in all of these four tests of 3D Mark, performance of Honor X7b 5G is better compared to Honor X7b 4G, and you can give the credit to the better GPU we got on the 5G version here. Now let's have a look on the last test for today, and that's Geekbench 6. So this test is divided in single core and multi-core, and as you can see, Honor X7b 4G scored 416 in single core, 1485 in multi-core, while X7b 5G scored 730 in single core and 2042 in multi-core. So once again, in both single core and multi-core, the winner is X7b 5G. If we go to the GPU test, here X7b 4G scored 348 and X7b 5G scored 1272. So as you can see, in all of these benchmarking tests, the 3D Mark, Geekbench 6 and Entity Benchmark, performance of Honor X7b 5G is better compared to the Honor X7b 4G, especially when it comes to the GPU performance and the gaming capability of the device. X7b 5G is way better compared to the X7b 4G. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.